Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed up to question number 12. Now, but we have not, but I have not given you the homework. Okay, so you have to complete up to question number 12 only. Now we will continue from we will continue from question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13 is given. Hari borrowed rupees 12,600 from a money lender at 15% per annum simple interest. After 3 years, he had paid rupees 7,070 and gave a goat to clear off the debit. What is the cost of the goat? We have to find the cost of the goat. Now, principal equals to rupees 12,600 Hari has borrowed from a money lender. The rate of interest is 15%. After that, time is your 3 years. Principal is 12,600. Rate of interest is 15%. Time is your 3 years. Now, first of all, you have to calculate SI, simple interest. P into R into T upon 100. Okay? P into R into T upon 100. 12,600 multiply by 15 multiply by 3 upon 100. Okay, 126 multiply by 15 multiply by 3. It will be your rupees 5,670. 5,670. Now, what Hari has given? Hari has given 7,070 rupees and give a goat also. Hari ने क्या किया? Hari ने 12 Hari has taken 12,600 rupees. Hari ने 12,600 रुपए मनी लेंडर से लिए. After that, after how many years? After 3 years. After 3 years, he had paid rupees 7,070 rupees and a goat also. Hari ने 7,750 rupees 770 rupees दिए और एक goat दी. Now, what you have to calculate? First of all, SI we have calculated. Now we have to calculate amount. Amount equals to 12,600 plus your SI 5,670. When you add this, your answer will be rupees 8,270 rupees. Okay, this much money Hari had the total amount. Now we have to find the cost of goat. Cost of goat means 18,270 minus 7,070. It will be 11,200. Means the cost of goat is rupees 11,200. Okay, the cost of goat is rupees 11,200. This is the cost of goat. After that, we have completed question number 13. Now let's come to question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14 is the simple interest on a certain sum for 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 829.50. So find the sum. We have to find the sum. First of all we have to take the sum. Let the sum be rupees P. We have taken the sum be rupees P. So SI equals to rupees 829.50. After that, here and time is 3 years. Time 3 years and rate is your 10%. Rate is your 10%. It is given. Now P equals to SI into 100 upon R into T. Okay, 829.50 multiply by 100 upon rate is your 10%, time is your 3 years. Oh, fine. After that, remove point here. After the point there is 2 digits, so 2 decimal. 1 2 1 2 1 and 1. Here it is left 8295 upon 3. Okay, 8295 upon 3. When you divide this, your answer will be 2765 rupees. This is your answer, 2765 rupees. Now let's come to question number 24 and 25, because these two questions are slightly tough. 24 and 25. After doing the 24 and 20, first of all we will complete question number 17. Question number 17 is given a sum of money invested at 8% per annum, amount to rupees 12122 in 2 years. What will it amount to in 2 years 8 months at 9% per annum? First of all, let the required sum be rupees x. Question number 17. Let the required sum be rupees x. Okay. After that, we have taken the x, sum of number x. Now simple interest SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. After that, it will be your x into 8 into 2 upon 100. Okay, x into 8 into 2 upon 100. 8 to the 16 x upon 100. This much here. Now amount equals to principal plus SI. Okay, principal plus SI. Your principal is x and your SI is 116x upon 100. Take LCM. 100 will be your LCM. After that, 100x plus 100x plus 16x. Now what you have to do? It will be your 116x upon 100. This is your amount. Now let's come to question. The question is saying, what will it amount to in 2 years 8 months at 9% per annum? Okay, so but the amount is rupees 12,122. 12,122. So 116x upon 100 equals to 12,122. So x equals to 12,122 multiply by 100 upon 116. After that, when you solve this 12,122 multiply by 100 upon 116, your answer will be 10450, 10,450. Now simple interest SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Principal into rate into time upon 100. After that, 10,450 multiply by rate. Rate is your 9. After that, time is given to you 2 years and 8 months. Means 2 years and 8 months, 32 upon 12. 32 upon 100 into 12. It is given here 2 years and 8 months. Same you have to do 2 raised to 8 upon 12. Okay, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 8 will be your 32 upon 12. By this 32 upon 12 has come here. Now when you have to solve this 12, you have to solve this 12 on the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 to the 36. This will not cancel out from 12. So 6 4 is 12, 8 6 is 6 8 is 32. Okay. After that 4 and 8, then 1 0 and 1 0 will be cancelled from here. Then 4 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. 4 upon 2. We have to cancel out this. One 0 4 5 0 multiply by 9 multiply by 32 upon 100 into 12. 0 and 0. 9 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. Okay. When you solve this completely, your answer will be 2508 rupees. 2508. This is your answer. After that we have to calculate the amount also. Then amount equals to SI plus P plus SI, principal plus simple interest. 10450 plus 2508. When you plus this, your answer will be 12958 rupees. This is your answer of question number 17. It is the lengthiest question. रिक्वायर्ड नंबर हमने x ले लिया है, फिर SI इक्वल्स टू P इंटू R इंटू T अपॉन 100. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस, वी हैव टेकन प्रिंसिपल x, टाइम रेट इज गिवन हियर 8, टाइम इज गिवन हियर 2 अपॉन 100, 16x upon 100. Now what you have to do, amount equals to P plus SI, principal is x plus SI is given to 16x upon 100. Take here 1. Now take LCM. 100x plus 16x will be over 116x upon 100. But the amount is rupees 12,122. See this, x equals to this one. When you solve this, your amount will be this, your principal. This is your principal. After that, SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Solve this, you will get this one answer, 2,508 rupees. After that, we have to calculate the amount. Amount equals to P plus SI. Principal is this, SI is this. Your answer will be 12,958. What you have to do, you have to practice. I am mentioning here the homework. Practice all questions. Discuss in class. जो भी क्वेश्चंस हमने आज पढ़े हैं, उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस more questions. Thank you and have a nice day.